Double Diamond Railroad back. Okay, I think I'm ready to make a test run. I've been experimenting, but I broke one of my most favorite files today, trying to get those joiners on. So now I can't clean this switch up the way I need to. I've got a bad joint back there, a rough spot. It's hard to get the file in. My tapered file broke in half. Just a little stub left. So I got to get a new set of files. The other ones are too big to go in between the guardrails. I did what I could with the ones I had. So I couldn't get the passenger train out there. He kept wrecking the big cars over this bump. I tried like 4 times. Filed and filed with what I have, but it's not good enough. So put him back where he was over an NS passing siding. And now we're ready to run the short freights through. Really fast for the siding. 10 miles an hour. That's with the frog wired now to the hex juicer. I took up the last spot. So big improvement. I gotta put another gap styrene in it, piece the glue didn't hold, and it broke out when I was carving it. That second engine's got issues. 44, 42, he gets hung up on frogs. It's his wheels, I think he's out of gauge. Here comes the SD40-2. 10 miles an hour. Slowed him down. Oh, he hit something. He's still got dirty wheels. He's the only one doing that. But he could be hanging up on that joint right there. Sometimes he does it, sometimes he don't. It's what makes me think there's something on the wheels. Go down to 6 miles an hour. 5. See, he's big 6-axle. I think he's catching on that same point back there on the joint and the frog. Guardrails are tight. Slow him down some more. 4 miles an hour. 3. Trying to see where he's catching at. It's not electrical now. It's a rough switch back there because I can't file the rest of it. Ran the gauge through it. Looks good. 5. I'm calling it good, but not good enough until I get some more files. And we'll do some more work on it. Down there with the magnifiers, feeling that joint till I get it. But we're going to keep the big long passenger cars out of there. They're underweighted. They're old. They're from the 90s. Okay, that'll do. And we'll shut her down there. Enough for today. A lot of hours down here today. Not all solid, but a couple hours here, a couple hours there. 90 minutes now. We got wired up to the hex underneath. It's full. And I see the next switch. Of course, it's the worst one back there to reach. Over by the other crew change platform. by the NSCR entrance. That one's got problems. And it is an Electrofrog, so it needs taken out, jumpered, frogs cut, gapped, and juiced. So I got to count up, do I need a hex, or can I do that with a single? That's where we're going to be at, taking inventory of switches and how many juicers. Because I got to do one in the NSCR too. Okay, we'll let you go. Thanks for watching all these segments. Calling this part 4 and a finale. Double Diamond Railroad, take care, God bless, have a great week. Big snow coming tomorrow for Ohio, and wind. Double Diamond Railroad, out.